Hello children, yesterday we started with lesson number 9. It's raining. We studied about Apu the elephant and about the banana trees. We studied how the banana trees were drooping without water and how Apu watered them while bringing water in his trunk from the river. We also studied that many plants and animals around us don't get water. So the rain is the source of water. Many plants get water from the rains, and the animals drink water from drain, ponds, and waterfalls which is nearby our place. So today we are going to continue with the same lesson. All of you open textbook page number 61 with me, and we will start reading. Today we are going to read a very nice poem which is on textbook page number 61. The name of the poem is Clouds. So we will start reading the poem. Clouds. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of swans. In a moment they come, in a moment they go. So from this paragraph we come to know about the clouds. Fair and white, grey and black. Sometimes we see white clouds in the sky, sometimes we see black clouds in the sky. When it is going to rain, we see grey and black clouds. When the sky is blue, we see white sky on a normal sunny day. So this poem is about clouds. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of swans. So when we observe the clouds carefully, we see that they are forming different types of shapes. Sometimes they look like elephants, sometimes they take shape of a horse, dog, or pair of swans. If you will see this picture of the poem, you will see the pair of swan, you will see horse, elephant, and ox in this poem picture. If you will observe the clouds, in the moment they come, in the moment they go. So we see that clouds keep moving in the sky. They are not fixed at one place. They come in a moment and they pass in the next moment. Sometimes they freeze, or for weeks they stay, and sometimes they disappear for a many day. So sometimes we can see them continuously for a week, and sometimes we don't find a single cloud in the sky, and they disappear means we cannot see them, they vanish away, and for many days we cannot see the clouds in the sky. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. Sometimes they pour means sometimes we get rains from the clouds, sometimes thunder. So this is a thundering cloud. A lightning can come from a cloud, spreading the color with a rainbow wonder. Then when it stops raining, we see a nice rainbow in the sky. And sometimes they hail, plating the ground, breaking the glass in ringing chimes. So sometimes we see that it is not raining, there is hail, means small pieces of ice fall from the sky, that is called as hail. So sometimes we get rain from the clouds, sometimes we get hailstorms from the clouds. So this is a beautiful poem which is written by Harish Nigam. It is translated from Hindi. Chakmak Eklavya. So this is the poem about clouds which tells us how clouds make different shapes in the sky. They are of white color or they are of grey colors. Sometimes we don't see a single cloud in the sky. Sometimes we see them continuously. Then we also studied that the clouds give us rain, they thunder sometimes, we can see a rainbow in the sky. We also study from this poem that sometimes it doesn't rain, there is direct hail, means small pieces of ice falling from the sky. Now here we are going to study about the different colors of the rainbow, as we have already studied that there are 7 colors in the rainbow. On rainy days, when it stops to rain, we usually see a rainbow in the sky. So the colors of the rainbow are violet, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So these are the seven colors of the rainbow. We usually see rainbow in the rainy season. So you should know the seven colors of the rainbow. You should keep them in mind. First one is violet, second indigo, third blue, fourth green, fifth yellow, sixth orange, and seventh one is the red one. Okay. On textbook page number 62, we are going to answer some question. Poets saw many things in the clouds. Have you ever seen anything in the clouds? What? So children, you have to write this answer on your own, as the poet saw the clouds taking shape of elephant, horse, then pair of swans. So what shape of cloud you saw, you have to write this answer on your own. So I have not written this answer over there, you have to write it on your own. Then the next question is, what all do the clouds do? So here I have written, clouds take shape of many animals like dog, cow, elephant, and run here and there in the sky. The next one is B1. Have you ever seen a rainbow? When can you see a rainbow? Yes, we can see the rainbow after the rain. See, how do you feel when it rains? Answer, we feel happy when it rains. D. Apart from clouds, what do you see when it rains? We can see lightning and rainbow when it rains. E. What happens when it rains? When it rains, the surrounding becomes green, peacocks start dancing, everyone is happy. So we have answered all the questions over here. When it rains, making paper boat and floating them on water is really fun, isn't it? Make a paper boat and float it on water. So this is your activity for today. You have to make a paper boat and float the paper boat on water. You can make it with different types of paper. The next thing they have asked is, have you had any problem during rains? Have you seen anyone else having any problem due to rains? Draw the picture of your experience in the rain. So in this box, you have to draw the picture of rainy season. When it rains, some are happy and some are sad. So if you are happy when it rains, you can draw a happy picture. When you are sad during rains, so you can draw the picture of your own. They have also told us that, have you seen anyone having problems due to rain? So yes children, there are some animals which don't have proper house. There are some people who stay on the roads. So these people and these animals have a great problem during rainy season because they don't have a proper place to stay. They become wet and they can also fall sick. So with this we have completed lesson number 9. It's raining. Hard words and question answers will be given on WhatsApp group. Bye.